Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange, bringing you a review of this week's stock market. On Monday, markets fell as investors continue to worry about the global implications of the economic crisis in Turkey. The Turkish lira dropped 6.6% against the US dollar to hit its lowest level in history, prompting fears that Turkey can't pay back debt in other currencies. Emerging market stocks were also hit hard. On Tuesday, import prices for July remained unchanged compared to the previous month's 0.1% decline, and export prices declined 0.5% compared to the previous month's 0.2% gain. The Turkish lira rose strongly and investors resumed buying stock as sentiment improved, and it also helped when Home Depot and Tapestry Inc. reported strong earnings. Markets ended the day up modestly. On Wednesday, retail sales for July increased 0.5% on top of the prior month's 0.2% gain, and industrial production for July increased 0.1%. Non-farm productivity for the second quarter jumped an annualized 2.9%, and unit labor costs declined 0.9%. The Empire State Manufacturing Survey for August rose 3 points to 25.6, and the EIA Petroleum Status Report for the week ending August 10th showed crude oil inventory increased 6.8 million barrels. Markets fell on weakness in the tech and retail sectors. On Thursday, housing starts for July rose 0.9% to an annualized 1.168 million units, and jobless claims for the week ending August 11th fell 2,000 to 212,000. The Philadelphia Fed Business Outlook Survey for August fell a sharp 13.8 points to 11.9 as new orders slowed. U.S. and China agreed to resume talks and attempt to resolve trade issues. Between that and strong earnings from Walmart, markets rallied with the Dow Industrials jumping almost 400 points. On Friday, markets opened lower as the Turkish lira continued its decline. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Netflix Inc. announced on Monday that Chief Financial Officer David Wells plans to step down after helping the company choose his successor. Wells, who joined Netflix in 2004 and has served as CFO since 2010, intends to stay until his successor takes the role to ensure a smooth transition. Netflix shares fell to under $322 on Wednesday. Macy's Inc. on Wednesday reported second quarter results with net sales totaling $5.57 billion, a decrease of 1.1% year over year. Shares of Macy's fell below $35 on Thursday. 58.com Inc. on Wednesday reported its unaudited financial results for its second quarter. Total revenues were RMB 3.4 billion, a 32% increase year over year and exceeding the high end of the company's guidance. 58.com shares rose to over $65 on Thursday. Walmart Inc. reported second quarter financial results with total revenue of $128 billion, an increase of $4.7 billion or 3.8%. Walmart U.S. comparable store sales increased 4.5%, led by grocery, apparel, and seasonal performance. Walmart shares rose to over $100 Thursday morning post-announcement. NVIDIA Corporation announced financial results for the second quarter with revenues of $3.12 billion, up 40% year over year, but down 3% from the $3.21 billion in the previous quarter. Data center revenues grew by 83% from a year earlier to $760 million. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.